Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SoFi login problems. Authentication errors solved step by step clearly. First, confirm you are using the official SoFi app or the correct website by typing SoFi.com directly in your browser. Next, check your internet connection by switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a network issue. Close the SoFi app completely or close all browser tabs. Then reopen it to refresh the session. Make sure your device date and time are set to automatic, because incorrect time can break secure authentication. If you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily and try logging in again. Double-check your email and password for typos, and confirm caps lock is not enabled. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option and create a new strong password you have not used before. After resetting, wait 1 to 2 minutes and try signing in again to allow the change to sync. If you get a too many attempts message, stop trying and wait at least 15 minutes before the next attempt. Open your email or Authenticator app and verify you are entering the latest one-time code, not an older code. If the code is not arriving, check your spam or junk folder and search for SoFi in your mailbox. Confirm your phone number is active and can receive SMS, and that airplane mode is turned off. Restart your phone to reset network services that can block verification messages. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Messages, then make sure Send as SMS is enabled for reliable delivery. On Android, open your Messages app settings and confirm spam protection is not blocking SoFi texts. Update the SoFi app from the App Store or Google Play, because outdated versions can cause login errors. If you use a browser, clear cookies and cache for SoFi.com, then reload the page and try again. Try an incognito or private window to bypass stored sessions and extension conflicts. Disable browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers, because they can break the login flow. Try a different browser or device to confirm whether the issue is device-specific. Check if SoFi services are having an outage by looking at SoFi's official status or support pages. If you see Authentication failed, remove saved passwords in your password manager and manually re-enter credentials. If you enabled Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint login, turn it off and sign in with password first, then re-enable it. If your account is locked for security, follow the on-screen prompts for identity verification carefully. Review your email for any SoFi security alerts and confirm recent login attempts are actually yours. If you recently changed your phone, update your trusted device settings inside your SoFi profile after you regain access. If the problem continues, contact SoFi support from the app or the official website and provide the exact error message and time it occurred. While waiting for support, avoid repeated login attempts so the system does not keep blocking authentication. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.